Okay, if you guys see, this is the IPD Kulim. This is a traffic light. If you guys come from the opposite, it will come from the Penang. Come from the Penang, will cross this traffic light, and you guys enter the. If I go enter the left side, if you guys come, you go enter the right side, and all the way up straight. Never turn anywhere. Just go to straight until last you will meet the waterfall of Junjong. You guys will see the Kulim vocational and the garden. After across the few meters and all the way up to the straight, you're going to Bell and you meet the first traffic light after you enter. Okay, college vocational, the first traffic light. And all the way up the straight, never turn anywhere. And you guys, after that, you will meet the Surau, and this corner is dangerous. Don't turn it so hard. After this corner, you need to keep up maintain the low speed, because it's all the dangerous way to cross over. So be safe, not here. After that, you guys reach here, you will see the second traffic light at here. It's the second traffic light. We'll need to cross from here. Okay. The traffic light, you can see the traffic light. And all the way go straight. After that, you will enter to the village side. Okay, village side. If you ran out of petrol, gasoline, don't worry, here was the gas station. Okay, after you guys reach the village, you can meet the gas station or petrol station. You can buy things from inside. You got everything, maybe not everything. You got snacks and petrols. Just took the petrol, then get out. After that, you guys will reach the last traffic light of Junjong. Sorry, the last traffic light of Junjong. And after that, you never meet a traffic light, and then destination reach. I can't show the signboard because I see the land. Okay, after the petrol station or gas station, you left from that, we'll see the food stall or food shop, anywhere, restaurant at the right side, and the left side will be see a police station. And after cross there, you will after cross there, we see a sharp corner will be arrived. Okay. The sharp corner is dangerous. You need to be minimum 30 km/h, like that speed. Okay. After the third traffic light. Okay, third traffic light. After you enter another village, the village have a lot of the speed breaker or pumping anything lah. Okay. After that, you need to be more slow because children hang around with the bicycles, and people always hang around there. Okay, after the traffic light, from here, you can see from here, after this, your network will be die, and after your network is die, you can't contact anything anymore, or Grab, Uber, anything. So I personally recommended to come with your own transport rather than taxi or anything. Okay, I put we already in, let's see, the village, everything, electric. Okay, you see the sekolah. Okay. Okay, after this, you guys left from the village and entered the forest road. It's a mountain forest. forest road. Okay, all the way is empty, everything's a tree. That's all. You need to be slow in this land. If you come with bike, don't corner too much. The road is really sandy. There's no grip for the bikes. Okay. Okay, we reached the destination. After you can enter there's a signboard, something for the payment of parking. You guys can check here prices. Car for 2 ringgit, motorcycle for 1 ringgit, bus for 10 ringgit, and for 5 ringgit. That all the way straight to it. This is a shop. You can buy things like clothes, foods, drinks. So you enter to the place. You can see there. As we go all the way around, like across the place, just go all the way around. In the last you can see there's the last wave of terrain being sandy. After that you will meet the last wave. Okay, we go to the main swimming place. Okay, it's the parking area. You can see this is starting from the showering place all over there. Let's we go park the bike and go check it out. Okay, let's turn off the key. Let's we go and check it out. Make sure you lock up everything well and properly. Okay, you can see the one of the pathways here. Another pathway is there. You can see. Okay, just check it out. This place is for adult and that one is for children. You can see the waterfall, people all around there. Okay, if you go to the left, you can see another side. On the side, if you follow this way, you can meet the last waterfall, the big one, and toilet. This is a waterfall. This is for adults. That one is for children. All the way up the straight. This is the toilet area, and the outside is. And then last you will meet the largest, the biggest waterfall. Let's we go near. Okay, before this place was full with water. Okay, the sand is newly one. The place is fully water. Currently, the water was getting low from the waterfall. You can see. So let's go to the waterfall near. Oh, this pathway is really new. They make it new. This is the largest waterfall. And this pathway is really new. If you look from here, it will look like this. I don't want to shower there or swimming there because that is not deep enough to swim. You can bring children to there, but the pressure is high. Be careful. And I go into the adult side. And let's go get started. Okay, we are here the children one and the adults one. Okay, the water is all the way up to here, and okay, this pathway is from the largest waterfall. Okay, zoom it. Wait, I'm not sure I can focus. Oh, my hand is shaking. Sorry, really sorry. You can see it all the way up to here. Okay, there is a few important rules to follow or important things to follow. I will mention in okay, we are going in. I think 176 centimeter, I think. You can see my body all sink it. That's why this place is for adults. You can see everything all over the place. Okay, the rules I was saying is first, if you enter the place, you need to lock and prepare the belongings at safety. Okay, you need to your things and belongs, everything need to prepare everything to be safety. Okay, after that, you cannot smoke at there, you cannot drink alcohol at there. Okay, the rules is, if you bring food, after you eat everything, you need to dispose every garbage properly. Okay, seriously, you can see the dustbin or anything lah. Shape is really different, looks different. You can put there and dispose everything properly well. Okay, after you dispose, you cannot throw the garbage into the water. Okay, you especially you cannot piss in the water, but nobody can see you. They got a toilet, you can go to the toilet and piss there. Okay. Before 7 p.m. You need to get out from there. Okay, after 7 p.m. something creepy things going to happen. Number one, creepy things is ghost. Number two is robbery, the bikers robbery or anything. Number three, there is no light until you reach the near village. Okay. Some of the network you will get one bar of network coverage. Most of the network you will be dead in that place. I mean, smartphone or SIM card network. And also, I'm not sure you can call emergency 999 or 911. Okay, because in the upper side on the waterfall, the network is not good. Ghost hunting. First, if you're going to enter there and swimming all over there, after that you're going to home before 10 p.m. you need to get out from there. If you reach the time 7 p.m. and you won't go out and you still swimming, the creepy things will be happening in the water. The ghost, or actually the ghost will be come into water and pull your leg. This is not a funny thing. Okay, before this I heard people got died in the waterfall. Okay, but I never scare. I just get into upside and fall from there and swimming crazy, and I do many crazy things. I don't scare there because I'm from childhood until now I go to there. Okay. If you reach after we got eyewitness who spent more than 7 p.m. and got caught on ghost hunting, ghost hunt them, and blah blah. We can talk the ghost hunting eyewitness real story on another video. Okay, if you're really late after 7 p.m. you get out from there and you will meet guys come in the motorcycle and try to rob you. That's a really problem. You need to be safe. Okay, the road is not have light until the village, so if you're going out after 7 p.m. that's dark and there is a forest side and mountain road. You can meet the snakes, anacondas, like other type of animals. Okay, you need to be careful at the night. So I got many things to talk. I can simply say ghost, robbery, and no light, and wild animals. Yeah. Thank you for watching. Wait for another video. We're going to talk you soon. Now remember to subscribe. Maybe I don't think so. You're gonna subscribe. If you wish, you can subscribe because I'm traveling all over there. I just post the video. Maybe you can. You don't click the notification button because I really hate the notification button. Because if I click the notification button in any video, any of the channel, and I just hang around somewhere and get a notification. Okay, pull down the smartphone. Oh, video, YouTube video. I don't have time. And I go there, ting, 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 all of this channel. So if you wish, you can click the button, notification button. If no, just put it normal. If you click the YouTube, you can scroll up. You can see my video, and put down the like and watch which waterfall or place you want to guide. You want me to guide? You want me to guide? Just leave it in a comment. I'm not good in English, so my English is really bad. Sorry for that. Stay tuned and boom. Bye bye.